some more.
Hello guys, welcome to Abhi Tutors. So in this video we are going to be making origami drone. So what's special about this drone is its propellers also move, not too much but a bit. So you want to know how to make this? Let's get started. But before, this drone doesn't fly, so don't comment like, man, it doesn't fly and all. So let's get started. Take the paper and box split it into 16 grids. Alright, so I'm going to show you how. First align it properly. Increase it like that. So it's 2. Now we are going to fold it into 4s. So basically box splitting is a technique that is used in a lot of origamis, and it's used in this one too. By the way, comment down guys if you want any specific origami, and I'll try to make it and I'll post it in the video, and be sure to subscribe. Alright, so we got 8. As you can see, we got 8. And now we are going to divide these into halves, making them 16ths. And if you are using a bit thick paper, so always fold it in the opposite sides, so that afterwards it gets easier for you to make creases. So we are gonna do it. Now lockdown should have a skill. Everyone should learn a skill, and now you're watching my video learning origami. So now we are dividing this. Alright, so I'll fast forward it so that I'll do this. So as you can see, I have done the box pleating. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this paper into a diagonal and repeat the same this side. And make sure that your folds are proper. Yep. Alright. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start folding the paper inward. So first take the sides and pinch these parts outward like this on all sides, like that. And now you're gonna fold the next layer opposite side. Alright, so fold the opposite side like this. So this I'm showing the easier way for beginners kind of stuff. You can also do like this, just pressing like that. So that's why many people find it tough to do this, so that's why I'm showing the easier way. So basically it's folding like this, and you're gonna fold it till this part right here. Okay, you're gonna keep folding it. So we got one last. All right, just like that. Press these outwards, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch these like this so that this stays intact, like that. So you can just fold this part like this, like that. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 3, 4, okay, 3.5. This one is counted as half, and you're gonna take 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna open it, and as you can see, this is like this. So you're gonna fold it up, touching this point with this point. So you're gonna do it like that, and now you're gonna press it like this, and repeat the same with all the sides. This one, you're gonna fold it right there, all the sides. Just like that. And now we got one last thing to do, is to make the propellers. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this paper, and you see this point, this middle line, you're going to fold that like that, just pushing it and making sure that this whole flap gets folded into a half, like that. Press it, and now you're gonna fold this line right there, resembling a propeller, and now you're gonna fold this triangle inward, just like that. As you can see, it looks like a propeller. And now we are gonna repeat the same on all sides. So you're basically gonna fold it like that, fold triangle. So this is just a rough estimation, there is no exact crease. And do the inward fold crease. And now press it the opposite side so that it doesn't get like that. That's why we are pressing the opposite side. Like that, and we got one last. And it's done. So press it there, and now bring these down. So here our drone is ready, and you know, if you guys know magic, you can just do magic and you can fly this thing. Just kidding. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe, and don't forget to share.